Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to add a site-wide integration or tracking code to your B12 website. By the end, you'll know how to insert code snippets like chat widgets, analytics tools, or Google Tag Manager so they load across your entire site. First, open your B12 Dashboard. Click Website, then go to Settings. Next to Site-Wide Integrations, click Add New. This is where you'll insert any code that needs to run across your entire website. You'll see a list of integration types. Click to select your third party. If you don't see the integration you need, choose Head Tag or Footer Script. Choose Head Tag if you want your integration to load right away, or Footer Script if you want it to late after the page starts rendering. Paste your integration or tracking code into the code box. If you want, you can also add a title to help you stay organized. By default, your integration will be included on all pages. If you only want to include your integration only on specific pages, choose Selected Pages under Display On, then select your page or pages. When you're ready, click Add Integration. Finally, click Publish to make your changes live. Your tracking code is now active across your B12 website. If you ever want to temporarily turn off an integration without deleting it, you can easily disable it. From your B12 dashboard, go to Website, then Settings. Click the integration you want to update. Scroll to Settings, then under Status, open the drop-down and choose either Enable or Disable it. Click Save if you are done. You can also delete a site-wide integration by clicking Remove. Don't forget to click Publish to apply the changes to your live site. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.